Veeam is laser focused on delivering the best end-to-end ransomware protection in the world. And it is also the reason we acquired Coveware, the world's leading provider of incident response, and now partnering with Veeam's customers through Veeam's CyberSecure program. But we asked ourselves, how can we bring Coware's expertise to as many of our customers as possible? And so today, we are excited to announce that Coware by Veeam's patent-pending proactive threat assessment application, Recon Scanner, is now available to every Veeam Data Platform Premium customer. And why is that a good thing? Recon automatically scans your VBR environment to detect ransomware before that ransomware activates. And with these days dwell times for ransomware being extremely unpredictable, this tool helps you find and eliminate ransomware and other cybersecurity threats before they impact your business. Recon Scanner has been deployed in thousands of ransomware cases, leveraging intelligence from a continuously growing database of real-world incidents and ransomware threat signatures. And here's the best part. There's no cost to the Veeam Data Platform Premium customers for these added capabilities. That is part of our ongoing commitment to keeping every customer and every organization safe. We are excited about this new capability. We are committed to bringing even more innovations to help mitigate cyber threats for your business.